Welcome to Campground Maintenance Manager, the only combination website and software designed for campground employers, managers, and work campers, including non-technical users. The CMM website and #1 software for campground maintenance and work camper management provides a smarter, faster, and easier way to hire, train, and manage the most qualified managers and work campers, including the maintenance duties and activities they perform. The results among employers are lower cost to hire and train managers and work campers. The result among managers and work campers is an increase in morale, productivity, and desire to extend their stay. Employers, managers, and work campers join for free and receive an eye-catching profile page that is used to promote the employer's campground, surrounding area, and employment opportunities. It is also used to promote the managers and work campers' capabilities, preferences, and resume to employers. Join today to begin receiving your free benefits. Employers also receive the free beta version of the CMM software. And don't forget to check out our informative resources and blogs.